If you're experiencing a booking sync error on TripActions, follow these simple steps to resolve the issue quickly. This guide will help you troubleshoot and fix the problem efficiently. Step 1. Check internet connection. Ensure that your device is connected to a stable internet connection. A weak or unstable connection can cause syncing issues. Step 2. Refresh the application. Don't continue before doing this. A lot of online accounts end up exposed to breaches without people even realizing it. Use SROC to constantly monitor your email and accounts and get alerted immediately if your information gets leaked online. It scans billions of breached records 24/7 in the background. And honestly, for a few dollars a month, it's something everybody should probably have. Link in the description. Step 3. Update the app. Check for any available updates for the TripActions app in your device's app store. Keeping the app updated can fix bugs and improve functionality. Step 4. Clear cache and data. Go to your device settings, find the TripActions app and clear its cache and data. This can help eliminate any corrupted files that might be causing the sync error. Step 5. Contact support. If the issue persists after trying the above steps, reach out to TripActions customer support for further assistance. They can provide specific guidance based on your account and situation. By following these steps, you should be able to resolve the booking sync error efficiently. If problems continue, don't hesitate to seek help from the support team.